Hello, guys. Let's talk about how the world works. Let's talk about how to stay relevant in your game, how to become valuable in your space. I like this saying very well. It says, "Where Carcass is, Vulture gathers, and a grand of honey becomes a gathering of ants." Let me say it again. Where Carcass is, Vulture gathers, and a grand of honey becomes a gathering of ants. What is Carcass? Carcass are dead animals that are lying on the streets or in the bush or in a forest. What is vulture? Vulture are animals, they are white animals that love to feast on dead animals. They love to eat dead animals. So if your land has dead animals, it will surely attract vultures. It's a matter of time. If your land has dead animals, then vulture have every reasons to converge on that space and eat from you. And a ground of honey becomes a gathering of ants. Ants are also looking for sweet substance. They are looking for honey. So any land that has honey, then ants have every reason to converge in that place. That is how the world works. Dead animals to attract vulture, honey, sweet honey to attract ants. Before the world will come to your space, you must have something that you want to offer them that will be beneficial to them. That is how the game is being played, not by pity. Before a vulture will come to the land, there must be a dead animal. There must be a carcass on that land that will make them to stay there and eat from that place. This is about marketing. This is about being relevant. This is about staying valuable. Because if you are not valuable, you won't be in the demand. That is how the world works. So the onus lies on you to look inward and ask yourself that what can you offer the world that will make people to come to your side and seek from what you know and seek from what you have to offer. And if you are smart enough, if you can place a price on what you have, then it becomes an offer. It becomes a rewardable and transferable thing to other people. That is how the world works, guys. I hope you find meaning in this conversation. Thanks for watching, guys. I remain your friend, Shino Oladele, aka The Colorless Ink. Don't forget to like and share to other people to learn from this also. Thanks so much.